Any mention? Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26.
Yes, your objection?
No objection, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
It's a service matter, Your Lordship. They're praying for appointment.
Okay, yes, after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22. 22.
Yes.
Bring for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
But there's nothing for you to do.
My lord.
Only for him to bring authorities. Where's the authorities?
Yes, my lord. I searched, my lord. I have one authority I got regarding the financial. Regarding the financial, my lord. The grants cannot be the bar to the corporation. Yes, my lord.
What other judgment you have?
Particularly on the discrimination, I couldn't find anything, my lord. Only that I got one judgment.
You ready the matter today?
Yes, my lord.
Why
He informed me actually yesterday only, my lord.
AG is not available to your Lordship, so
He is appearing here also?
Learned AG, Madam Yangi.
Okay. When?
My lord. As per the convenience of the, my lord.
So we are having holidays, this will be 2 weeks.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
You come with authorities.
My lord, I tried, my lord. I got only one authority with regard to that, my lord. Particularly with regard to the discrimination regarding the cut-off date and the implementation of the revision, but I couldn't find on that, my lord. I still trying, my lord.
Right.
Yes, my lord. Deeply obliged, my lord.
Thank you.
Please, Your Lordship. So I beg to mention item number 27, my lord. Matter may kindly be adjourned for 2 weeks, my lord.
Why? What's the reason? Have reason for adjournment?
We also need to file the rejoinder, my lord. It's prepared. We just need to get the signatures, my lord.
Was it allowed by the?
It was allowed last time.
Okay, let's after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23 and please, this matter comes after 2 weeks.
No objection, Lordship.
No objection?
No objection, Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25.
Number?
25, Lordship.
25.
5. Lordship.
For whom? For the?
I'm from the private respondents.
Where's the petitioner?
I can't find them, Lordship. I'll inform them.
You inform them first, then let it be called out.
Lordship.
My lord. Item 28, my lord. My lord. I informed the private respondent, Mr. Sheikh, yesterday only, my lord. I've taken his consent, my lord. Sheikh. Kindly after 2 weeks, my lord. My lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
Call.
Supplementary list. Item number 1.
May I please, my lordship?
How's then item number 1?
No, lordship.
Over, yes.
1 and 3.
You mentioned in the matter
Tomorrow. 1 and?
Yes.
Or 1 and 4.
Same matter.
Same SOP matter.
Come tomorrow, your
How many
lordship.
petitioners have you all already in the fray now?
Lordship, in fact, your lordship,
In this, 29 minutes.
No, what have you prepared the affidavit?
lordship, that is being prepared, your lordship.
See, one master affidavit
Will
the point
but
is
lordship, only the problem here is that they are joint with petitioners. Some of them have been on officiating basis.
The thing will,
Some of them are
you can
contractual
classify them
appointees.
into those people who work for 5 years, those work for 7 years, those work for 10 years. Then orders will follow accordingly.
Lordship, let
So
come
whether you
tomorrow.
have- Otherwise, file the affidavit because the matter can't be left like this. If
Let come tomorrow, your lordship, with the lead item, your lordship.
If they can sustain the right, it will be sustained.
Lordship, yes. Tomorrow, your lordship.
You have similar order?
Lordship.
I heard Mr. Dr. N. Mozika with so you should notice Mr. Indi Shulai learned AAG with so present. So no forum is called upon the respondents. This matter is connected and identical to so the same order. This on 30th.
Identical interim order.
Yes, same order.
One,
Item number 2.
Then item 4 also, your lordship.
4 also same, my lord.
4 also same.
1 and 4.
1 and 4, who's the petitioner? Or same parties?
Please.
How many petitioners here?
In this 6 minutes.
Same order.
2. Item number 2.
Lordship,
What is this?
this is a petition against the deforestation of protected forest land.
Deforestation
Yes, of a protected forest land.
of
Protected forest land.
who are you? You are
Petitioner 1 is the right.
forest.
No. Petitioner number 1 is the right.
I mean, you control the forest. Oh, whose forest is it? Is it?
Your Lordship, petitioner number 1 is the right, and within the right there are 12 villages. One of the villages is the village Namdong. Village Namdong is the petitioner number 2.
Okay.
So petitioner number 2 had entered into an agreement with the GHEDC. The agreement is dated 5 July 1980, handing over the land, the forest land, to the GHEDC for the purpose of plantation of trees.
Which year was this?
1980.
1980.
Yes.
That is 45 years ago.
Yes.
Now the trees have grown.
Yes. Over the course of time, there are people from another village, Thanmandri, had come into the forest land and started cutting down the trees and cultivating in that area, Your Lordship.
Okay, just let me understand. This forest, this is situated in right Namdong.
Yes.
And then in 1980, you entered the agreement with the
GHEDC.
CDC for them to manage and grow trees in the forest.
Yes.
Then they have done that.
Yes.
Is it now for that 45 years? Where the agreement is here?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Does it have a determination date?
No, Your Lordship.
No. Where's the
It's at page, the translated is at page 39, Your Lordship.
39?
Or 34.
30?
34, Your Lordship.
My lord, the crux of the matter is page 86, my lord. Page 86 words.
This was taken over by the council, let me.
Yes, Your Lord.
Yes.
And there was a Dorbar, Your Lordship.
86, what does it say?
But this is the impleadment order, my lord.
The
86.
first one.
Page 86.
There's no page 6.
No, that's a different petition.
Okay, it ends at page
That's the next
72.
That's the next item, Your Lordship.
Yes, carry on. Yes, what happened? So now, as per the agreement, district council has taken over the forest.
Yes, Your Lord.
Correct. Allowed you only to use for personal use if you need it. Correct.
Yes.
So does not have any objection. They take over the forest. So there's no agreement as such. They've taken the forest. So it's their baby now. Look after. What happened?
What had happened is people from the Thanmandri had come into the forest land and started cutting down the trees and cultivating.
File complaints.
We filed complaints, and then there was a Dorbar, Your Lordship. The reports dated at 51, the translated copy. Even the CFO attended the Dorbar. He admitted that deforestation had occurred in the area.
So what did you do about that?
The operative part is at paragraph 13 at page 53, Your Lordship. It's also decided that whoever cultivates in the area.
See, but one thing you see, the thing is, if it becomes a council forest, or even if it's a private forest, it will be governed by the management and control of forest rules. It is their rules to how the council forest to manage also. Now, did they implement those rules? And did they put foresters? What was the after you gave the forest to them? Then they took over the forest. It was very valuable soil and on. So they never looked after it. That is your assertion.
Yes, for sure.
They never bothered.
Even till date, the deforestation continues. Even the cultivation
No,
continues.
deforestation, yes, is continuing because after he handed over the forest council for them to care and keep and for the upkeep, means they didn't do anything.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes, Dr. Mosika, is that correct? I mean, if this forest was taken over by the council, then why nothing was done?
Well, having to some affidavit.
How large is the forest?
The GPS maps at page 36, Your Lordship. The map.
No, area. Approximately area is how much?
2 hectares. 2 hectares.
How much?
2 hectares.
It can't be 2 hectares. 2 hectares won't even qualify the forest. That's all. No. You don't have proper accommodation. See, Mr. Sultan, it can't be 2 hectares only. What is this case you annexed here, title 2?
That's regarding the same forest, Your Lordship. The then headman of Namdong had filed a title suit against the GHCDC in the year 1970. There was an order, Your Lordship.
To show that the forest belongs to you.
Yes. The order is at page 37, Your Lordship.
You've seen that.
The forest Hatmanri within the Ilaka Nangjingi, which shall be described as below, remain within the plaintiff, and in the future the defendants shall not do any act or things without the knowledge and consent of the plaintiff and their MDC concern.
Even the agreement, the area is not given. You get instructions heard, Mr. Solution. The petitioner issued notice. Returnable in 3 weeks. You are paid for all the parties? No, for 1 to 5.
The private responsible.
Dr. M. Muzika, which soon is present on behalf of respondent 1 to 5. No further notice on these respondents. Notice to issue. Who are these people you have named here?
These are the list of people who are cultivating
in the forest.
Cultivating in the forest. These are the names submitted by the Maheshnong of Thanmanri.
No, I mean, this is the residing inside the forest. It won't affect notice on all of them.
111.
For the time being, we'll just withhold notice to the private respondent.
Okay.
Just get instructions first. No. Yes. With regard to
Number 6 may be issued is the Thadmanri village.
number 6.
Number 6, respondent number 6.
Yes. Notice to issue to also issue number 6 to the Waheshnong of Leka Nongji. No notices to the other private respondent at this stage. Stop next paragraph. The grievance of the writ petition projected is with the deforestation. Or what the name of the forest?
Thanmanri.
Of a forest known as Thapmanri, which it is submitted is under jurisdiction of the petitioner Raj, that is Raj Namdong. It's also submitted that pursuant to an agreement which was executed in 1980 between the petitioners and the Giant Hill Council, the said forest was to be kept under their care and management, which alleges has not been the case in as much as people from adjoining villages have entered the forest and are growing broomsticks.
Yes, and other cultivations.
The other matter deserves This, the matters seems serious. The senior counsel is ready to obtain necessary instructions just after 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, there's an interim prayer as well.
You can't have interim prayer. You can't have injunction right now. Suppose nothing's happening. Even without issue notice of private, let us see if the forest is in their care. What have they done? That will get out from them after 1980. Whether they've notified it in any, in their records, but appear in the records are all under management. Yes, next one.
3.
Your Lordship, this other petition is with regard to notification dated 23rd January.
This deals with what? The same forest.
It's regarding the jurisdiction of Thatmandri, the village. The notification states that Thatmandri falls within Ilaka Nartiang.
Page 86, Lord.
It's a different case.
It's a different.
There's a connected that. Page 86, well, this is an order passed on 23rd January 25 by District Council.
Well, that's what you referred to earlier on.
Yes,
That is a petition. Oh. Yeah.
It says, the Executive Committee, JNTL District Council, after proper inquiry of the documents with regard to the boundary of the Thatmandri village, same village, it was found that the Thatmandri village is part of Ilaka Nartiang, that the Executive Committee, JNTL District Council, so and so. It was decided as per the notice of Thatmandri village.
Thatmandri is the village within the forest now?
No,
Same one. Then what is this?
it's within Namdong, Your Lordship.
Thatmandri, is the name forest is Thatmandri also?
Yes.
Then the Thatmandri village is a different entity.
Yes.
It's different.
Yes.
It appears to be same.
Then why have segregated the petitions?
It's different cause of action.
Mainly the issue is this one, my lord, about the territory.
Because if the council said we have no jurisdiction over forest, then you can't sustain the other petition also.
No, the ownership is with Namdong village with regard to the forest.
With regard to the village, also. Now they said it falls under Nartiang.
In this repetition, Your Lordship.
Then you come on instructions. Yes,
dispute between Nongji and
Nartiang. But within there's Assam and Meghalaya district rules, council rules 1951, Your Lordship, the serial number within the constituency list, the village of Thatmandri falls within the.
No, but were you heard before this order was passed?
No, Your Lordship.
You not heard?
No.
We'll file affidavit. We'll place the order. But since the order is from January, my lord, I pray that I'll file affidavit.
January.
We file RTI. What had happened is, after the notification was notified, the secretary of the GHEDC had verbally instructed the Dalai of Ilaka Nongji Lordship to submit back the notification saying that it was cancelled.
This one?
Yes, the 23rd. Only upon filing the RTI, we realized that the GHEDC had relied on the 23rd January.
How can you go to amount? Anyway, you come with instructions.
Yes.
There's no interim orders right now. But Mr. Honestly, issue notice in this account is present on behalf of respondents number 1 to 4. No further notice required. Notice to issue to respondent 5 and 6. Just after 2 weeks ago. Steps are taken in 3 days.
Right.
Item number 5. Item number 5.
Who's the petitioner?
Lordship, this was for impleadment,
Impleadment.
No, where's the petitioner? None appears a petitioner list day after tomorrow.
I know that.
6.
They bought those.
We will file the affidavit today, my lord.
My lord, in these affidavit also they've raised the same concern, my lord, which has already been addressed to by in the inquiry. And moreover, these objections have been filed by residents of another village, my lord, which have got nothing to do with the present list. In paragraph 2 of their affidavit, they raise the same concern, my lord, which has been addressed to in the inquiry, which was attended to by.
Paragraph 2, sir, that's one number 3 and 4.
Oh,
How did you file the affidavit?
I'm sorry, my lord. Paragraph 3.
Yes.
That during the pendency of the Indian. Same concern, safety concerns and other things. That has been addressed to.
Who is this? Number 6. Anyway. What else?
Kindly see para 4 also, my lord. The Vaishnav has also received an objection from Srimati so-and-so to the effect that portion of land proposed for emergency escape route belongs to the said person. The objection is not just against the setting of the well file.
But they've already done examination on the ground.
My lord, everything has been done.
Sitting here to
My lord, the difficulty is that the inquiry that was conducted, PWD is not a party in that, my lord. Even Pollution Control Board is not a party in that.
My lord, this is a
My lord,
welfare depot, my lord.
why we are objecting,
Ultimately, my lord, we are only at the stage of registering the lease, my lord. There will be another set of inquiry by the Pollution Control Board. The PESO is there, other agencies are there, my lord.
Fire and emergency services also taken concern.
My lord, all of these agencies were there, my lord. It was a very transparent kind of
pass orders then.
my lord.
For headman, my lord, there are so many objections, my lord, that is the whole difficulty, my lord. There are several objections from the surrounding landowners.
What?
For setting up the oil depot there, my lord. Safety, pollution, and other hazards come with the.
Objections always they have any public interest project. That is.
And my lord, there are other aspects of it. The Pollution Control Board has to examine because there are certain SOPs.
My lord, that will come.
Initial stage.
That will subsequently come, my lord. Without that, this cannot be done, my lord.
Visibility, internet on. Now the only thing is the entrance or lease.
Yes, my lord. My lord, thereafter the Pollution Control Board will come, the PESO will come, the other agencies will come.
PESO?
My lord, PESO is the petroleum agency, my lord. That is the final agency, my lord. Unless it approves it, nothing can be set up, my lord. No oil-fed depot can be set up.
My lord, there are
and these are Union of India, these are Government of India agencies.
Come across the guidelines framed pursuant to the directions of the National Green Tribunal, my lord, which says that any oil depot of this such nature, my lord, has to maintain a buffer zone of 300 meters.
Where that doesn't come any app.
It's not, it's a SOP, my lord.
My lord, those agencies will examine that, my lord. We are here only at the
Next one.
7.
oblige me.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, you have received the payment, so the matter is in fructus now. The matter will dispose of, Your Lordship.
Your name?
S.A. Majao, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir. S.A. Majao. Why was no one present yesterday?
Your Lordship, my humble apology, I missed the cost list.
Yes, sir. As submitted that the grievance of petitions will redress, nothing remains for consideration, and the matter is closed and disposed of.
Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
In this matter, my lord, you are required to file the bullet points, my lord.
What are bullet points? You want a recap? Where's your senior?
I'm sorry, today's senior is not available, my lord. He's indisposed.
See, the thing is that, see, Mr. Thappa, last time he said, okay, let's hear. He said, no, we would want a recap. He wanted to give a recap. Are you interested or not?
My lord, we are, my lord. If we can.
Contest in which party this person, your petitioner?
My lord, he is not a contestant from anyone.
No,
from any.
The person
but he's a mayor.
From which party?
NPP, my lord.
NPP. And the one he is independent,
No, my lord. The petitioner before your lordship is a mayor electorate, my lord, of a particular
by supporting which candidate?
But he is a neutral guy, my lord.
Neutral?
I can't really reveal, my lord. I can't really reveal for which party he voted. Of course, at this point, there is no point, my lord, revealing that.
Whose case is
My lord, the only thing that is espousing is, my lord, he did not come with the full-fledged information at the time of filing his nomination, and he basically, my lord, kept hidden certain things which ought to have been brought on affidavit.
Mr. Thapa, we've detained these matters. You know, it's become. It doesn't reflect on the council, it reflects on the.
Madam, kindly have it.
That we have election petition, there's a that it should be disposed in 6 months, and just at the threshold, haven't entered the just warming up for the case. Now you've taken 3 years, 2 years.
But this matter was heard again, my lord. There was a submission.
Heard again.
There was a submission made, my lord. We want to recap.
Why you want to make recap?
My lord, otherwise, my lord, this matter has already been heard by your lordship.
Why you want to recap?
We were only required to file a bullet points, my lord. We are only giving.
The last time wanted to recap. Anyway, senior is not well.
He's indisposed, my lord, slightly indisposed.
Yes, adjourn for the reasons stated there in this concern.
Item number 2.
Senior adjourn by application on behalf of the litigant petitioner. Yes.
But I'm required to file affidavit that you sent for signature, my lord. The affidavit hasn't come. It's from Nagaland somewhere. A week's time, my lord.
Last time who that appeared personally also?
Yes, my lord.
Garson Junior, yes.
Last time you.
A week's time, my lord, will file affidavit.
Yes, Dr. M. Mozika, please was allowed for one and file necessary affidavit. Yes, also.
3.
Please, Lordship. The private respondent, they have filed an objection. Private respondent have filed an objection regarding the condition delay. But JCDC, I don't know.
You are appearing? Okay. Objections to what? This is a condemnation. How many days delay?
It's around 300.
Where is your objection?
341 days.
341 days, my lord, and also on the delay application, the petitioner has touched upon the merits of the case, my lord. And the document on the basis of which your lordships have passed the judgment, he says in his application that that document is non-existent, that he tried to apply for it. Now, my lord, I have enclosed in my reply, my lord, a certified copy of that, which was obtained in 1963. My lord. This is a document of 1926.
Lordship, I'll go through their affidavit, my lord, because I don't know whether council is there. They're saying that they will not file objection. They only.
Who said they won't file objection?
District Council, Your Lordship, will not file.
On the earlier occasion, they said they will file, but they're saying that they will not file it. I'll go through their affidavit and let it go for hearing for which case.
See. So we'll condone this delay. You're ready with the matter?
Yes, let this miscase application may be condoned. We will dispose it.
We'll take up a matter now only.
That for review hearing maybe later.
What? You already have the fact at fingertips, right? Because even your condemnation application, you have made reasons why the review should be allowed. Correct?
Yes.
You ready? Then we'll take it up.
Let it come after only on that main this review.
See, the only thing that you said that the document is non-existent, and then now
no. Only I will just go through the
document that Mozart report exists 926 and next year also. So what remains for review then?
Let me just go through there. I have not gone through their affidavit. I have. Yes.
13th of October.
13th of October?
Yes.
Today is what date? Today is 29. So,
Only 1 week's time, Your Lordship. Next time I will prepare.
Point in keeping.
No, Your Lordship, that is not that is not only the document which I have alleged. There are other two dates, Lordship, which I mentioned. One is Magenta report.
Mr. P.T. Sama prays for 1 week's time to allow him to examine the objections.
Yes.
On the condemnation application just after 1 week.
Lordship. Much blessed, Lordship.
Item number 4.
We'll close this one now.
Lordship, they have filed their objection affidavit, Lordship. Lordship, now there are 2-3 things, Lordship, which I want to reply to their affidavit, Lordship. Because, Lordship, it is pertinent.
Whether contempt made out or not.
Lordship, it is because why, Lordship, there was an order, Lordship, passed by this Honorable Court, and there was a deliberate violation, Lordship.
Your Lordship, the alleged violation, Your Lordship, if at all, Your Lordship, it took place when the petition was still pending, Your Lordship.
They have stated in their affidavit, Lordship. That, Lordship, I require, Lordship, some time to counter, Lordship, because it was brought on record, Lordship, during the pendency of the writ petition, Lordship, that despite there was interim order, Lordship,
they had a categorical statement here,
Lordship,
at para 8. No construction works carried out by the writ petition. That the land that your petition was not touched.
Lordship, but on ground situation, Lordship, my entire area was bulldozed, Lordship.
You can't beat a dead horse.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, moreover, the interim order was not extended.
Contempt between the court and the.
Lordship, let me take instructions, Lordship. Have it after 1 week, Lordship, because Lordship, there is a serious violation, Lordship, of the order of this court, Lordship.
Your Lordship, the interim protection that was granted was not extended also, Your Lordship.
In fact, Lordship, during the pendency of the main writ petition, Lordship, they had gone ahead with the demolition work, Lordship, when the interim order was subsisting, Lordship. And that was brought on record by an additional affidavit, Lordship.
Section 64, yes, an affidavit has been filed by the respondent.
Let me reply to the affidavit, Lordship. Have it after a week, Lordship. Kindly, Lordship.
You're not going to go for a roving inquiry now. What contempt? What will you make out? What contempt will you make out now?
Lordship,
if the land now has been
Lordship, but the main fact of the matter remains, Lordship. If I may, Lordship,
when the matter was pending, said it was not touched. Lordship, who could verify that?
It was, Lordship, demolished, Lordship, and with violation, Lordship, there was a violation, Lordship, of this very honorable court's order, Lordship.
Your Lordship, they should have brought this to the notice of the
court. It was brought, Lordship. It was very much brought. If I may, Lordship, show the additional affidavit which was filed during the pendency of the writ petition, Lordship.
Where's the contempt you filed in the writ petition?
Lordship, it was obviously, Lordship, filed at a later stage, but that was already brought on record, Lordship, that there is a violation, Lordship. And it was this honorable court's esteem order, Lordship, which they have violated, Lordship. Knowing it, Lordship, which was communicated to them, Lordship. It's a part of the contempt petition, Lordship.
You get ready to. We'll dispose it of.
Lordship, we'll take instruction and we'll file a reply to the affidavit.
Reply will file.
Lordship, because they are saying that two things, Lordship. They are saying that there was no
satellite imagery. You know what? You know how it can be done. If you want to see what the location of the land, I was engaged one matter once, where you can get satellite maps. Of a certain day and time.
Lordship.
Of certain area. So if you get a satellite imagery, you can get it and show at that day when that order was operating.
Let me reply to their affidavit, Lordship.
That's the only way you can show that. Otherwise, how is this court sitting here to say whether you dug it up during that time or dug it up afterwards? What digging it afterwards, you have no objection. Correct? Yes or no?
Lordship.
Yes or no?
But it was, Lordship, subsequent to the interim orders passed by this honorable court, Lordship.
Chanda, you don't have, even you had objections, you have recourse to section 64.
Lordship.
After the court disposed of the matter, then they started widening the road. Correct?
Lordship.
Now, if it's done, it's already done.
No, but then the main issue, Lordship, is that there is a violation of this honorable court's order, Lordship. In that case, Lordship, general public will lose faith on these, Lordship, esteem orders passed by this honorable court. I bow down, Lordship, but that is the ground situation, Lordship.
It'll come to nothing. You file your objection.
Lordship.
1 week.
Lordship.
Yes. After it's been filed by the respondents, Mr. Chanda prays and it's not 1 week's time to file a reply.
Reply, Lordship.
Yeah. Otherwise, contempt.
Lordship, it is between the court and the contempt, Lordship. I bow down, Lordship.
Item number 5.
Lordship.
Contempt petition, my lord, against the order dated 18 March 2025, my lord.
You filed affidavit?
We have not filed, my lord.
Why?
Well, in fact, SLP is in file, my lord.
SLP has been filed, but it is still in
Which trade?
Clerks.
Clerk trade, my lord.
The learned single judge was pleased to dismiss the petition, my lord. The division bench has reversed that.
This is which matter?
The clerical trades.
Clerical trades, my lord.
Single judge ordered passed by Justice Dingdo, my lord, rejecting the petition. Then division bench is by Justice I.P. Mukherjee and Justice Bhattacharya.
Where is the division bench order?
My lord, the relevant portion is page number 102, my lord.
Division bench order?
Yes, my lord.
This order of?
Yeah. March 2025, my lord. Passed by Honorable Division Bench.
You are fence sitters?
Yes.
Fence sitters. Yes. They waited for outcome litigation, then they came. And so the single bench.
No, my lord. They did not approach the court all these years, my lord.
Fence sitters?
Knowing very well that they were appointed after 2002, my lord. The recruitment rules came in 2002.
They were fence sitters.
Fence sitters, my lord. That ground has been rejected by the Honorable Division Bench, my lord. And then after they have, my lord, kindly see 102, my lord. Last paragraph. The ground of delay and laches as well the acquaintances raised on behalf of the respondent is also not tenable in view of the law laid on by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of so and so discussed above. The respondent, by no stretch of imagination, can discriminate the appellants by treating them as employee belonging to the different class by making unreasonable classification and deny them the benefit which they are entitled to by virtue of the judgment and order dated 23/8/2012 passed by the WPC so and so, and subsequent approval of the implementation issued wide memo number so and so dated so and so of the Ministry of Home Affairs. This memo is, my lord, passed after the judgment.
Well,
I'm paying for it 4 weeks time.
When is the SLP being?
My lord, SLP is still in defective column, my lord.
Because the 500 responded.
Defective, that means it's a tactical move.
And the order has been passed on in the month of March, my lord.
Yes, I think that Dr. N. Modika, please let further time to file affidavit and submits and further submits that don't SLP has been filed. The scheme is lying still lying the registry as being defective.
That's he submitted one.
But that's submission. Okay. No. No, but files for further time to file affidavit stop. It is noted that the order was passed when?
March.
18 March 2025, my lord.
2025. Expected next year that it should be on board. Just after 3 weeks.
My lord. Declare lordship.
Action number 6.
How many prisoners are here?
Some 500.
611, my lord.
6.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I paid for 2 weeks time to file the affidavit.
How many times you taken time?
4 to 5, Your Lordship.
The 4 to 5 time. What's the matter about? Without affidavit can be, where's the senior? It can be disposed of.
No, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Non-payment of pending due of leave salary, Lordship, and graduate.
Where's the prayer? He's not here, Mr. Day.
No, Your Lordship.
Where is he?
I don't know, Your Lordship.
You don't know.
Lordship, we have not received the authorized. Lordship.
You do one thing, we'll list it, we'll dispose of, because now this is admitted due. You come to annexure. This is the prepared by the
Annexure form.
page 14,
Lordship.
page 15. Yes, you have the brief with you. You have the brief with you. Do you have the petition with you?
Yes, Lordship.
You see page 14. See, all the asking for that now. This is the what is that? Page 15. Sorry.
15.
Page 15. See page 15. This is 2nd April 2025. Okay. See, now you only have said that this is the amount due to the deceased employee. Correct. So he's only asking for it to be paid. The only thing is that you take instructions as to when can you pay it. Okay. Because now you aware you got 65 crores from government to pay all pending dues. Right. Yes. This matter involves only a prayer for payment of pending gratuity, leaves, gratuity, arrears, leave salary, etc. of the deceased employee, whose deceased employee. Approval of their petition, especially annexure 4, which is letter dated 2nd April 2025, shows that financial sanction show that the respondents have already accorded financial sanction for a sum of rupees 22,77,990 for the terminal benefit, terminal dues of the deceased employee, who is represented, who is before, who is presented by of the terminal of the deceased employee. Nekpas MSE Dakhar has again made prayer for affidavit. It is noted that affidavit is not necessary, only instructions to obtain as to when the payment can be made. That's all. It's just after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks for instructions. So you don't need to file affidavit. Just take the order, get instructions as to when can be paid. Okay, then we'll close it.
Oh, bless
Number
you.
7.
Milord, there's urgency in this matter because the petitioner has since retired, Milord, during the pendency of this petition. If your lordships remember, there were a batch of matters regarding MSCPS, Milord, which was disposed of by your lordships. Now, this particular matter was segregated since this petitioner has not yet been regularized. Now, he joined service in 1991. In 2003, he was confirmed, my lord. Now, in 2022, when all my other colleagues, junior colleagues, were regularized, he has not been considered, my lord. So my only prayer now is, my lord, give them a time frame, let them complete the entire exercise, my lord.
My lord, I have received Parawai's comment just recently, lordship, that is on 23rd October. Well, I'll just 1 week time, I'll file detailed affidavit, lordship. After that, my lord can pass.
When is he retiring?
Retired.
Already retired, lordship.
30th of September, my lord.
My lord, all other writ petitions, that petitioners were regularized and they were claiming only the ACPS. Here in this case, they are asking for regularization as well as the benefit of ACPS.
But
that is why it was
confirmed in service there. End of judgment. Of
yes, lordship, true.
How confirmation follows regularization?
Lordship, we are not again, but I'll just file a detailed affidavit after that 1 week time, lordship. My affidavit is ready, lordship.
Since you already retired.
Yes.
It is submitted by Mr.
1 week, lordship.
That the petitioner since retired. No, from the High Court. Mr. S.A. Sheikh prays it out 1 week's time. After to be on board. We'll dispose it off next.
I'll file it.
Deep.
Item number 8. State has already filed affidavit, my lord.
Right, please, Your Lordship, I am trying for 2 weeks' time to file our affidavit.
You are 5 to 7?
5 to 7, yes.
No objection.
Yes, counsel for 5, 6, 7. This all VC?
VC,
Lordship.
Praise for the Lord for the technical affidavit. affidavit of states already on the case.
9. Much obliged, Lordship.
Yeah.
To number 9. Lordship, similarly, we've already filed the affidavit in this case, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the matter can be called up for hearing. Pleadings are complete, Your Lordship.
Can dispose of for hearing. Yes, participant please complete this the matter for hearing this.
Much obliged, Lordship.
My lord, I'm filing my affidavit in the course of the day.
Who's for the petitioner?
Your Lordship, I'm for the petitioner. For the petitioner, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
This matter is regarding the
retirement benefits.
Not retirement benefits, my lord. The petitioner was serving as a bellboy.
2 weeks. 2 weeks further time.
I'll file it in the course of the day, my lord.
For Mr. M. Ahmed submits an affidavit on behalf of the respondents. We find the court of the list for after 2 weeks for rejoinder.
11.
For affidavit, madam, bring to some more time.
Yes. How many times you played?
Motion and there are 15 also.
Just 3 weeks further time is played allowed affidavit just thereafter also.
12.
Please, Your Lordship, I'm appearing for Ms. K. Sema, respondent number 4.
Yes.
Your Lordship.
Where's the affidavit?
Lordship, she has already filed her affidavit yesterday.
You want to file
I'm
rejoinder?
praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship. Respondent number 1,
Respondent number 1 to 3 have not yet filed, Your Lordship.
How much time you want to
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
MSS Lalu.
Yes, Lalu.
Praise for that for the 2 weeks time on behalf of respondent 1 to 3. Praise for the 2 weeks time for affidavit. What's your on behalf of 104 after since been filed? The list after 2 weeks.
Respondent number 4, Ms. K. Sema. She has filed her affidavit yesterday, Your Lordship.
13.
Same order.
13 same order.
Connected.
Same order.
14.
Yes, thank you.
My lord, I file my affidavit. I'm for respondent number 4.
What about 1 and 4?
For 2 and 3, I'll be filing.
1 and 4.
No, yes, my lord, 1 and 4. I filed for number 4. Number 1 is not required, my lord.
You filed your.
For 2 and 3, I'm requiring 2 days, Your Lordship, to file the affidavit.
2 days.
2 days, Your Lordship.
MPSC.
MPS, Your Lordship.
Okay, MSB submits that the affidavit will be filed within 2 days. Yes.
Highly obliged.
So, 2 weeks for the end of any.
15.
Lordship, we've received our instructions, Lordship. It appears that the petitioner's request for permission, Lordship, was on the ground that they would build a parking lot. But it appears that there is some other activity in addition to what the permission has been given, my lord. So we'll file our affidavit, Lordship.
So you're extracting minerals?
Exactly,
No,
Lordship.
the
And
pure
for commercial
intention,
purpose, Lordship.
The pure intention is, Your Lordship, to level out the area in Lordship and to build a parking lot. Later on, it can be built into a school or anything, Your Lordship. But for now, our pure intention is to level the ground and to convert it into a parking lot, Your Lordship.
This is on the basis of inspection, Lordship.
Lordship,
You see, the thing is that they're looking for incidental parking lot for whom? It's very heavy traffic there. Where's this place?
Jirang, Your Lordship. Jirang same ship, Lordship.
No, this is done now. They are also incidental mining. They are judgmental because sometimes they say we're going to build a road or something. Then, and they say in the course of constructing, like what the scripture is saying, all these minerals came out. So we have to expose it all.
We'll file affidavit, Lordship.
Initial and senior government advocate. These funds allowed 2 weeks for the time to file affidavit.
Much obliged, Lordship.
16.
So in item 18, they're supposed to file an affidavit.
We filed it, Your Lordship.
Should these matters concern the job card holders in Suburban village?
Who's Azizur Rahman?
He was the previous secretary, Your
No,
Lordship. He has not been
yeah.
made a party in these matters.
So Mr. Alice has refunded 15,000 and 20.
38.
So other amount from Azizur Rahman only.
Your
Offline
Lordship, this
recorded after the death of Jamrul Haq.
inquiry.
Yes?
Your Lordship,
Where's Mr. Shulai?
he's on legs, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray that this ex-secretary should also be made a party, Your Lordship.
Because he'll file appeal and say, we're not heard. Why did he make him party?
Lordship, our limited prayer before this court is for verification of the job card holders. Now, these are subsequent events, Your Lordship,
Your Lordship,
which
as
will
per
not
our
have any direct
information-
bearing in the matter, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, as per
We're
our
only concerned with
information,
the verification of the job card holders.
You've seen, everything has come down to one person. He's the villain of the entire, the Azizur Rahman. So even it says that this inquiry establishes that wrongful inclusion occurred primarily due to the negligence and manipulation of the then secretary, Azizur Rahman. The petitioner's liability for the fund of rupees so and so credited to her account. While other wrongful entries were never credited to account of petition, some were funded by the person responsible. So that the amounts that were taken by this fellow only.
Your Lordship, as per our information, this Azizur Rahman is a relative of the petitioner also, Your Lordship.
Oh, that's why.
Lordship, I have no instructions on that, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see my prayer, Lordship. My prayer is only for verification.
See, after inquiry was ordered, and this is the findings.
Lordship,
You dispute the findings of the inquiry.
Lordship, it does not concern me, Lordship.
Then why do you file a petition then?
Lordship, my reputation concerns only for verification of the job card holders, Lordship.
Now you
I am
filed it,
not
now
on
you
this, Lordship.
implicated your own
Because
cousin,
now
your
after
own
the
cousin
verification,
business.
we
So
found
after
that
verification,
certain
this-
people.
After Miss Alice came forward and said that he's a lawyer and his name is shown as job card holder, then now that Azizur Rahman is in the soup, is your relative. What do you do now?
Lordship, my limited prayer in the petition is for verification.
No, don't.
Thereafter, the respondents conducted the verification,
We can
Lordship.
expand the scope of this. We will direct for his impleadment. Yes.
Your Lordship, that verification of the job card holders was also conducted.
No, we'll say that.
has concluded,
Take that
Your Lordship.
down. On perusal of the inquiry report conducted in compliance with orders dated 16/9/2025 passed by this court, it appears that the discrepancies that occurred in the entire proceedings, which includes the entry of the name of Sri Rahabul Haq Alice, who is a practicing advocate, as a job card holder, and other offline payments made to certain persons, including mismatch of signatures, have been attributed to one Sri Azizur Rahman, who was the then BEC secretary for which year?
13 from 16.
Azizur Rahman for the
13 to 16.
For the period
13 to 16.
13
to 19.
2013 to 2019, Your Lordship.
for the 2013 13 to 19 as submitted. In his view of the matter, this court on its own motion directs for impleadment or impleeds the said Abdul Rahman. His address is from, you know better, he's a cousin. What's his address?
I don't know. He must be from the village.
Which village is this?
This is Sobrabari.
So village. Under Salsala in Ari block.
Not sure.
Be made necessary party. So, notice to issue to the Sir Abdul Rahman by the registry for appearance on the next day. Just after 3 weeks, necessary corrections to be made in the court session. Let him come.
We're missing out on the other job card holders because
Doesn't matter. We let him
our
come.
concern is with the
We
fake
let
job
him
card
come
holders
first. We-
for
everything
verification.
will reveal by itself. You know, there was that other case, Keta, there was school. You know about that. Correct. You know, there were 5-6 petitions like this. And then on inquiry, it all came to one person who was not even sanctioned teacher, who created the entire mess. And after this court directive of criminal proceedings, we drawn up against him. Now the matter is settled in that school, I think.
These
So
matters
similar
also
action,
needs.
if you've come to the court, now the court has discovered on affidavit and on inquiry done by the BDO. That is, if you are an officer of the court, that means it's your
Lordship,
duty to see that justice is done.
Lordship,
Not
exactly,
protect your
Lordship.
client, yes.
Lordship.
Next matter.
17?
Obligation.
17. Your Lordship, 16, 17 and 18 are semi-connected matters.
Hearing 19.
We have already submitted our written argument, my lord. This is the case of the operator radio line in Assam.
Mr. Pathak wants to give oral arguments. Yes.
My lord, the development that I hear, my lord, that the central government has been submitting that some people have approached this court through a writ petition where orders have been passed. Now I hear that they have filed a review against that particular order in the writ petitions also. So it is all back to square one.
No, I don't understand. What are you submitting, Mr. Pathak? Yes.
The central government stated that we should also approach the writ court in writ jurisdiction because some persons in the ORL have approached this court through a writ petition. Now against that writ petition, a review order passed in the writ petition, a review has been filed again.
By whom?
By the government, by the central government,
Where?
my lord. Before this court, my lord.
Where the reviews?
Due to the listed matter, I am told.
I think Mr. Pathak will have, then will become, going ahead with contempt becomes fresh writ petition. We can take cognizance of whatever has transpired down the ages now from 2015, 10 years.
But the very submission based on which the central government is seeking closure of this contempt, my lord, is again nullified by the fact that they are challenging their new, my lord, admission in the...
Where's Dr. Mozika?
He's currently on legs, Lordship. But Lordship, I'm praying for disposal, Lordship. This matter has been hanging around for so long. So...
Where the reviews pending? You filed the reviews?
Review is pending before this court, my lord, but I have not in number. I will...
Lordship, it's on a different footing, Lordship, the review.
Of course.
Some petitioner of this contempt petition, my lord, had filed the writ petition before this court. This court has allowed the writ petition. There the word redesignation and upgradation, my lord, not promotion.
Forget about the facts of the case now, Mr. Singh. It's not even an issue anymore.
My lord.
It's what's happened, you know. After
My lord, for a moment, my lord, kindly take my additional affidavit, my lord. That is filed on 27/5/2025, my lord.
Then we'll pass orders.
Lordship.
My lord.
We'll close it, yes.
My lord, I have in the written submissions, my lord, if your lordship goes through in a very nutshell, I have indicated, my lord, as to what is the perjury.
Yes.
And it is not just...
Any concluded judgment reserved.
It is the playing around with the court, my lord.
Yes.
20.
My lord.
Ji, sir.
So this matter, Lordship, I am praying, Lordship, if it can be taken up next week, Lordship. Learned Senior is indisposed, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Pandey. MECL.
Lordship. MECL, Lordship.
After 2 weeks at the request. No objection.
Haliola.
21.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, because
Why?
the conducting council is not. Lordship is regarding the demarcation, Your Lordship.
Ms. Hazarika has already done the demarcation.
He is not
You're
giving-
resisting it.
Yes, Your
You
Lordship.
remember correctly, correct?
Fail to recognize their land, their own land. He is not
You
keeping
can't
well.
recognize your own land, then what to do?
He's not keeping well, Your Lordship.
What happened to him?
He
He's in
is.
hospital?
No, Your Lordship.
Or then? You take instructions. No, this prayer has been made for adjournment. Repeated requests for adjournment have been made at the instance of the petitioner in this matter. It's noted from the records that the set demarcation had been prayed for since been completed, and observed that the petitioner can't even identify his own land. Correct? Your name, sorry?
Ipajo, Your Lordship.
Yes, you were directed to obtain instruction positively before the next date, just after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
24.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Yes.
Please, Lordship, DSGI is currently on legs.
After some time?
Lordship may have it after 1 week.
1 week, 2 weeks, Mala.
I thought you were going to say you're ready after some time, and instead of now you said in 2 weeks. And because the parties just after 1 week, yes. 1 week after 2 weeks, because they have holidays coming also.
25?
5th, right?
Yes. 2 weeks.
Next week will be 2 working days.
25.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, can come after 1 week, Lordship.
Why?
Some difficulty today.
She's ready, right?
Your Lord, Mr. Sen will be conducting the
Where's
matter.
he here?
He's ready, Your Lordship.
After a week, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
It's promotion matter.
Promotion,
They
Your Lordship.
challenge our promotion. This district council matter. They are officers in the.
For the KHDC?
No, these are district council officers, taxation department.
You are for whom?
I'm for the private respondents.
Then who's for the Mr. Dindo is conducting the matter? You got well.
After a week.
After 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship.
Lordship, the matter will be taken up on the next date.
As a council for this council is in this post.
Obliged.
29.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the matter is limited to a certain prayer whereby we require an election and for dissolution of the present VEC.
Yes, who's the comment?
Lordship,
Don't take time. Yes.
Lordship, respondent number 6 is not present right now.
You're conducting the matter. Yes.
Your Lordship, Miss R. Colony is for respondent number 6.
Six.
She's
Who's number
currently on
6?
her legs.
The private respondent.
Private
number.
respondent.
Important.
Yes,
It's
my
important,
lords.
Your Lordship.
She's on her
She's
legs.
important.
On legs, after some time.
It's the last item.
It's the last item, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, there has been
So 11:30.
at the convenience of Your Lordship.
My lords, next week.
Very convenient.
My lords, and there are rampant allegations of fabricated documents in this writ. Anyways.
Bishop, the main point involved here and also that require for a fresh election is that there has been multiple resignation of
Grateful, my lords.
Council School 6 on the prayer council number 6. Yes. But the right from judgments. From polite way, one judgment.